Well, what's up everyone? It's Tristan again here on another property tour. We're actually out here in the city of Suffolk, Virginia, which is part of the Hampton Roads 7 cities. We're actually in Chucatuck County. This home back here is a 5-bedroom, 3-bath, 232,388 square feet in the low 400,000s. So I wanted to show you this so you can see exactly what you can get for the low 400,000s. We're currently in the Chucatuck vicinity county, as I said before. And you'll see in this community there's a lot of older homes being replaced by newer construction. So as they tear down the older homes, they replace them with newer construction. So there's a blend of homes that were built from like 2018 to homes going all the way back to the 50s, kind of blended in this neighborhood. But this one is a 2019, actually just hit the market a few days ago. And I want to give you guys a tour to show you what you can get in the low 400,000s in Suffolk County. So before we go into the property tour, like I always say, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, and need help buying or selling a home in the Hampton Roads area, please feel free to reach out to me. My contact information should be below in the description of the video. You can text me, shoot me an email, or give me a phone call. I'm always willing to talk and answer any questions you may have. All right, that's enough of that. Let's go ahead and get to this property tour. Check out this home.